Hey, everyone. I'm so excited to share with you this awesome feature in Go HighLevel that's going to save you so much time and make your client conversations way more efficient. Today, we're talking about the right panel and expandable sidebar in the conversations area. And trust me, this is a total game changer. Let me show you what this slim panel feature is all about. It's really frustrating when you're chatting with a client and you need to check their details or book an appointment, and you have to leave the conversation and go to another section and come back, right? Go HighLevel has solved this problem with an awesome slim panel on the right side of your screen. It's super sleek and you can expand or collapse whenever you want. And I'm going to show you. Let me go ahead and share with you my screen and show you exactly how it works. What I love about this feature is that you have three powerful views that you can switch with one click. You got the contact view, you have an appointments view, and an opportunity view. So let's go through each one and I'll show you how they can transform your workflow. First up is the contacts view. This is where the magic happens for your managing all of your client details. Look at this. You can see and edit everything about your contact without ever leaving your conversation. You can update their name, phone number, email, add tags, manage campaign associations, or even set the D&D, do not disturb settings. This is super helpful when you're on a call and a client says, "Oh, by the way, I have a new email address." You can update it right then and there without missing a beat in your conversation. Next up, let's check out the appointments view. This one is a total time saver. From here, you can book new appointments, see all upcoming appointments with this contact, check their past appointment history, or even reschedule if needed. Before, I had to jump through hoops, leave the conversation, go to the calendar, find the contact, schedule an appointment, and then come back. Now it's all right here in one place. How awesome is that? The third view is the opportunity view, which is perfect when you're having a sales conversation. This panel lets you create new opportunities on the spot, see all existing opportunities with this contact, edit opportunity details like a value, stage, track your sales pipeline, all without switching screens. I can't tell you how many times I've been on a call where a prospect shows interest. I can immediately create an opportunity while we're still talking. It's such a smooth experience. I'm going to recap all this here. You can keep that panel collapsed when you need more screen for longer conversations. You can switch between views depending on what you're talking about. You can update contact information in real time as clients share new details with you. And you can always book follow-up appointments before ending a conversation. And lastly, you can also create opportunities immediately when a client shows interest. So the key here is to make that panel work for your workflow, your specific workflow, and play around with it and find what works best for you. So that's it for today. In today's video on Go HighLevel's right panel and expandable sidebar in the conversations section. This feature has seriously streamlined my client communication process, and I know it'll do the same for you. So thanks so much for watching. Much love and aloha, and we'll see you on the next one.